I've mixed in a little bit of throttle and elevator, which I can switch in and out. But I'm going to try and take off. I've drawn on reduced rate first of all, take her up, try and keep her down, and then bring in the mix if possible. And we're on a 4.6 by 5 pitch now, so we should get a little bit more speed. 185 before, we should get around about 200 now. Reduced rate, mixes out, I'm on park jet. She's on the ramp. Oh, bloody windy. Still climbing. I got a trimmer. Terrible. I've had to slow her right down. That wind is really awful. And it's not the best of days to fly because I can hardly tell which way she is. That's only half throttle, Polovina throttle. I'm not using it.
Кстати, у тебя там валяется под задней дверью зарядка.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right. I'm going to find out what the speed is today. Got the same speed, 178. So she's basically hasn't improved, but it's a terrible day today. We got gusting wind, 10 to 25 knots, and it's all over, the wind is all over the place. So it's not a day for speed runs. But still, there I cut back 5.5 prop into a 4.6 by 5. 3700 motor and an 1800 battery. Probably if I put a new battery in instead of one of my tired old ones, you'd probably do better. Anyway, that's it. It's 2 wins.